I'm going into a nail supply store for the first time ever. So pumped right now. I've been to Cosmo Pro, I've been to Salon Centric, but we all know they have a very limited amount of nail stuff. And I always order everything I need online. So going to an actual nail supply store is like so freaking exciting. So without any further ado, let's get into it. By the way, look at my nails. They're a little dry right now, but they're cute. I didn't find exactly what I wanted. The only thing I walked out with was this. An amazing product is what I've heard, so I got a big bottle of it. The small bottle was 22 and this one's 36, so I figured I'd be saving money in the long run if I got this one, especially since I'm doing a ton of Gel X. So I'm gonna go online right now and buy those. I'm gonna save money where I can, okay? Sorry for all the package sounds. Sculpted, square, medium. This is making me want to do Gel X on myself. Ooh. They have half sizes. This is why Aprés is awesome, because I see it everywhere. They're the best, and this is like, just this alone is why they're good. The sizes go 00, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 8, 9. Are you freaking kidding me? That's awesome. If you've been doing Gel X or even acrylics for a little while now, then you know that those 4, 5, 6 sizes, you always have to go in between. Like sometimes you'll get a client that is the perfect one, but you're always adjusting a tip. So I'm hyped for these half sizes. This is the smaller one. Even with it being small, there's a ton of freaking tips in here. Like, look at that. It's jam-packed. I'm gonna have to do some Gel X on myself. Wait, now I really want to do. And I haven't had square nails in so long. I've been doing almond forever. I've been doing structured gel manicures on myself for months now. Months and months on end. I've just been enjoying the natural nails. It's a lot easier for upkeep. The length is a little bit easier for me to work with. But these tips right here, damn, they're making me feel some type of way. And they're like the perfect size. This is about the length. And it's sculpted. So there's like an apex. I'm feeling some type of way, let me tell you right now. Let me tell you, I'm feeling it. I want some Gel X, and I want square. I want square. Unless these knock my socks off. I got coffin too? What did I get? I'm forgetting what I bought. I just saw things and I'm like, I want all of it. A square medium, a coffin, and I got short almond. Whatever. I thought I got 2 almond, 1 square, but clearly I don't remember anything. So these are the natural coffin medium. Maybe I'll do coffin nails. These are pretty. I'm not really a coffin girl. This is what the coffin's looking like. Pretty cute. I like it. I like these as well. This has 600 pieces in 14 sizes, so it also has those half sizes in here, which I'm stoked about. Even more tips in the first box. You know, I was getting kind of apprehensive about the price of these, even though I got them on sale. Like, original pricing for a box of these is like $30, and I was like, $30 for a box of tips? But I can already tell these are like good quality just by looking at them. It's hard to show on camera, but you can see that the base of these tips, they are paper thin, which is exactly what you want for a flush cuticle area. And then the tip, the edge of it is super duper strong. It's not super thick, but you can tell there is structure to it. And yeah, like from what I've been using this, you can already tell these are awesome. You can tell they put a ton of care into this, because even the size of the individual little nail slots are different sizes. They're customized to the size of the nail. The pinky is the smallest, and it gets progressively bigger from size 9 to 4.5. I love that. I love that. So my jaw is dropping right now. I definitely want to get my hands on the sculpted square medium tips and throw them on you right now. This is the last box of tips that I ordered. For all of this that I'm showing you, my total was like $100. It was $100.94 for all of this, which is not bad because I got a lot of this on sale for like 20% off. These short ones are cute. They're all staticky to the sides. It's kind of cute. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. Why am I seeing myself with these on now? They're cute little almond shape. And the thumbs are adorable. I'm already on the Aprés train. And someone correct me. Is it Aprés? I think it's Aprés. I'm gonna call it Aprés. I'm on the Aprés train. I didn't even try these out yet. I've tried the Extend Gel. I love it. It cures so much faster than the other stuff that I was using. And then now I want to look at these puppies right here. I've been struggling with nude colors ever since switching to Gel X. Because when I was doing acrylics, I would have an acrylic nude base and I would do my designs on top of that. Now with Gel X, for the most part, they're clear. I know you can get colored tips. I haven't invested in those yet, so I've been trying to do my own custom nude bases by doing a couple coats of different colors, like a bubble bath and then a sheer nude on top to kind of customize it, and I have been hating it because it is so many layers of product. It ends up looking clumpy. Let's say I'm doing a French tip, I'm doing 3 layers to make this custom nude base and then a French tip on top of that. No thank you. So I bought these 2 nudes. They look amazing on the website, so I definitely want to give them a try. First one that I want to look at is Gossamer Light. If you look at them, they look like the exact same nude. This one looks a little bit more taupey. This one looks a little bit more yellowy, orangey nude. So let's see. Oh no, this is freaking gorgeous. I want this on my nails right now. Wow, Aprés, I am so overjoyed right now. So overjoyed. And the packaging, gorgeous. The black with the gold is just so classy. Forgotten film. You're gonna see this as I do, so. Oh, that's pretty too. Okay, so look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, this one's definitely more taupey, which is like not a bad thing at all. Clearly I'm feeling myself with my new lashes still. Oh, I forgot to mention, I just got a lash lift and tint, so my lashes are like super curled and cute. Anyways. I'm so happy. This is the best $100 I've ever spent. And I haven't even like, on nail supplies, this is the best $100 I've ever spent, hands down. And last but not least, I'm so even though this is the most low-key thing that I think I bought here, I am so excited for it because I don't have a milky white. Having done nails for 4 years now, you would think that I have a milky white. I do not. I've been mixing a milky white for the past 4 years whenever I need to use it, and I'm done. I am so done with mixing a milky white. So this is it, my friends. Baby's breath. Hopefully it's a milky white. It looked like a milky white on the store, so let's see if it is a milky white. It is. I've been suppressing my long nail need for a while, so I am. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you are still here, God bless you, because it means so much to me. It truly, truly does. If you're here till the end, like, I from the bottom of my heart, thank you, because without even knowing it, probably you're like supporting me in ways that I am so eternally grateful for. You just have no idea how thankful I am if you're here watching me unbox my nail supplies. Thank you so much. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, maybe a comment. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, or if you're eager to see how my Gel X nails come out. It'll be out soon, I promise, because I'm so excited about doing this. I'm sure I'm gonna edit that video in 2 seconds and put it up because it's gonna be good. So thank you for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.